Welcome to our channel. Today, we are going to explore the incredible power of consistency and how it can transform your life. Consistency is not just a word, it's a lifestyle that can lead you to greatness. We often hear stories of people achieving extraordinary feats, but what's the secret behind their success? It's not just talent or luck, but something much more powerful: consistency. It all starts with a dream, an idea, a goal. But without consistent action, dreams remain mere fantasies. Consistency is the fuel that turns dreams into reality. Consistency is not always easy. Life throws challenges our way, but it's the relentless pursuit of our goals that sets us apart. Remember, every small step counts. Inch by inch, you're getting closer to your aspirations. Consistency is a journey, not a destination. It's the daily commitment to growth, improvement, and learning. Just imagine where you could be a year from now if you start today and keep going. Many great minds have spoken about the power of consistency. From Aristotle to Thomas Edison, they all understood its significance. The message is clear: greatness is within your reach if you stay consistent. Consistency is built on positive habits and routines. By incorporating them into your daily life, you create a powerful momentum that propels you towards success. Successful people understand the importance of consistency. They wake up early, exercise regularly, practice their craft diligently, and make time for self-improvement. It's not about being perfect, it's about showing up day in and day out. Consistency creates a compounding effect. Every effort you make adds up and multiplies over time, just like compound interest. Small improvements today lead to significant achievements tomorrow. Embrace consistency, and you'll be amazed at what you can achieve. It's not an easy path, but it's a rewarding one. So, the next time you feel like giving up, remember the power of consistency. You have the potential within you to make a difference in your life and the lives of others. Embrace consistency, and you'll unlock your true potential. Remember, greatness is not reserved for a chosen few, it's for those who dare to stay consistent. If you found this video inspiring, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more motivational content. Together, let's harness the power of consistency and make our dreams come true.